Hey Cake, it's Friday, and at this time, Diana should be done with her History of Architecture class. Well, final right now. So, pretty sure we're all officially done with the fall quarter and semester, which is super exciting. And I'm not home quite yet, and Diana's not home yet. And I don't know if Rosie's in Escondido or Hemet, but we are all converging into Southern California. So that's cool. I am super stoked to go back because I won't be freezing 24/7. Like, I am cold 24/7 here, and it's really unpleasant, and I just miss home. You know, weather, family, food, all that sort of thing. You guys, ah. Okay, sorry. A lot of head shifting right now. Yeah, so there aren't any questions, so I'm just gonna continue rambling for how many minutes this lets me. And yeah, so ramble number one, I guess I'll talk to you about my day. Pretty crazy last 24 hours because of my 8 a.m. final this morning. Me and my two teammates who are also in the class with me, we studied in Worcester, which is the architectural building. We studied late at night, and because we were studying so much and we were so tired and the final was 8 a.m., we slept over at Worcester, and that was weird because that's not my boundary. I'm not like an architecture student or anything, and not Diana. Yeah, so we all shared the couch on the fifth floor, and it was so cold because it's just a huge, like, drafty room, and we didn't have any blankets. We weren't planning on sleeping there. Yeah, it was just really cold, really desperate, really dead week ish. But I feel like I did well in the final, so yeah, I'm just not gonna do that again because that was kind of miserable. Yeah. And then I went to Oakland with my other teammates for lunch and I had pho. Well, actually, I didn't, but it's like a pho restaurant. And I had other Vietnamese food and it was really good. Yeah. And then I did some Christmas shopping, cleaned around, packed, that sort of thing. Wow, that was a really mundane rambling. Sorry, I'm not as interesting. Yeah. Um, I guess I'm just gonna ask a question to myself and answer it, and then hope you guys answer it too. Such as, what do you want to do this holiday? Danielle, what do you want to do this holiday? Oh, I want to do a lot of crafts. I want to knit and sew as usual, but this time I want to be more diligent in like my goals and learning how to do new things and not just like randomly cutting things and pasting them and just doing really bad things. Okay, sorry, this ramble is so bad, and I'm over time, so let's just forgive this terrible video and look at Rachel's video instead, which is very good. Very nice. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow in real life, most likely. Okay, bye.